Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel for another episode of Ask Nisa Homey, where I answer the questions you ask with the hashtag Ask Nisa Homey. And guys, I also want to let you know that many of you always ask me for a particular recipe whether I have already shared on my channel. Well, you can find this on your own by just searching on YouTube on the search bar. Like for example, if you're searching for oats roti, you can just search oats roti with my channel's name. So it will be like oats roti skinny recipes. So if I have made a video on oats roti, then you can find my recipe easily like that. So if you're searching for moringa roti, you can just search moringa roti skinny recipes on the YouTube search bar. So when you're trying to find the healthy recipes from my channel, please do keep this in your mind. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the questions. So the first question is by Deepa Sunil. Can we use the moringa stem too for cooking? As my MIL says, it will upset the stomach and only the leaves to be used. Thanks in advance. Hey Deepa, I hope you're doing good and thank you so much for asking this question, as I'm sure this will help others too. Moringa contains about 46 powerful natural antioxidants, and when the leaves are fresh, they are very high in vitamin C. Moringa helps to balance hormones. So if you have hormonal imbalances, moringa should definitely be added into your diet. About your question, here in Kerala we don't use the stem for cooking, but in some Asian countries they are used to make stews and soups. But it is okay to add the tender stems along with the leaves. Do check my videos on moringa. I have shared many videos on moringa so that you can include moringa leaves in your diet. So do try to include moringa leaves in your diet, especially if you have hormonal issues like thyroid and PCOS. Moringa also helps to manage blood sugar levels. So if you are diabetic, do try to include moringa leaves in your diet. And another important thing is moringa helps in weight loss. Moringa is also known as nature's multivitamin. So it's always a good choice to include moringa leaves in your diet. The second question is by Bhushan Parthe. Please suggest homemade protein shake. Well, I have already shared 2 protein shake recipes with whey protein isolate. Whey protein isolate is a must in your diet if you are lifting weights, and you need that extra protein to prevent muscle loss. So whey protein isolate is one supplement which you should be using in your diet if you are lifting weights. And other sources of proteins like egg whites, chicken, chickpeas, kala chana, dal should also be included in your diet for extra added protein. Let me also mention that whey protein isolate is a supplement which your body will be needing if you are lifting heavy weights in the gym. So please do check my video on the same so that you can understand more about it. The next question is by Surya T. Is that press useful for making regular chapati as well? Where did you get that and cost, please? Hi Surya, I hope you are doing great and thank you so much for asking the question. Well, the press, it is not actually good for making chapati because it just won't spread out. But yeah, you can make puris with it, and it is a very good option to make gluten-free rotis like oats roti or bajra roti or jawar roti. But making chapati in the press does not come good, so I don't usually make chapati with the press. I got the press locally. Here in Kerala we use it to make patri. Patri is also known as rice roti. So in Kerala it is more commonly known as patri press, and it cost around I think 500-600 rupees. The next question is by Ampli. She wants to know the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Hi Ampli, and I hope you are doing great and thank you so much for asking the question. Apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV, is made from fermented apple juice and has some health promoting enzymes and probiotics. ACV helps to manage blood sugar levels, it helps in weight loss, it helps to reduce cholesterol levels, and having said that, you should always take care to use apple cider vinegar which has the mother. The mother is actually a friendly bacteria. So you should always make sure that you are using a good quality apple cider vinegar which has the mother. And humbly, I had already shared 2 videos on apple cider vinegar where I'm also mentioning the benefits of apple cider vinegar. So please do check them out to know more about it. The links will be updated below this video. The next question is by Tanima Datta. I'm a huge fan of your channel. Thank you so much for the love and support. I have a query. Everyone these days are going overboard with quinoa. I'm not disrespecting its goodness, but why can't we use the local millets like barnyard millet instead? Quinoa is gluten-free, and even though it is not a native of India, it is gaining popularity in India as well. So even we have now started cultivating it in states like Andhra Pradesh and Uttarakhand. And yes, our country is blessed with different varieties of grains and millets, which we have been using from ancient times. But millets contains little goitrogens, which may not be good for those with thyroid issues. And also note that not much studies has been done on this subject, but it is always a good option to limit millets 3 to 4 times a week for those with thyroid issues. I'm not saying that those with thyroid issues should not have millet. You should definitely include millets in your diet, and you can definitely include millets with rice and wheat. You can have 1 part millet and 1 part rice or wheat. It will not create any problem. Now quinoa on the other hand can be consumed on its own, and it's gluten free and has no such issues. It can be had on its own or can be added to other grains. Hence it started gaining popularity in India as well. Do not stick to one particular grain or millet. Try to balance everything and try to include seasonal millets in your diet. And I have also shared many quinoa recipes. You can check them out. The next question is by Sharnet Burros. I hope I pronounced it right. Thank you for helping me lose 26 lbs in 3 months. Do you have any weight loss drinks that I can have at night? I read that the metabolism slows at night, so it is best to have a weight loss drink at that time. Thanks. I'm so glad and happy to know that my recipes are helping you in your weight loss journey. Yes, our metabolism goes down at night, and that is the reason why you should have your dinner a little early. About your question, apple cider vinegar and turmeric tea are my personal favorites, and these days I'm more into turmeric tea because we have monsoons right now here in Kerala. And please do check my videos on apple cider vinegar and turmeric tea to know more about this. So guys, these are the questions I picked for this episode of Q&A. If you like to see more Q&A episodes like this, make sure you give a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment below with the hashtag #AskNisaHomey so that it will be grouped together and much easier for me. And guys, I received a lot of questions with the hashtag #AskNisaHomey, and I will answer them in the coming episodes. Do subscribe if you haven't already, and also click the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.